I'm sure you've heard the news. The Ninja air fryer is taking kitchens by storm. This versatile kitchen wizard lets you enjoy all the crispy, crunchy goodness with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. With a temp range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, reheating, and even dehydrating. Got a family to feed? The 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate can handle up to 2 pounds of food. Imagine making crispy fries and juicy chicken that everyone loves all at once. The user-friendly touch control panel means no more guessing games. And cleanup? A breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts. No more scrubbing and soaking. Plus, it comes with a recipe book to kickstart your culinary adventures. Whether you're a meal prepping pro or a snack time enthusiast, the Ninja air fryer is your new best friend in the kitchen. So why wait? Make the Ninja air fryer your secret weapon for delicious, healthy meals.